Hello students, today we learn about computer forensics. So digital forensics or computer forensics refers to method used for interpretation of computer media for digital evidence. So computer forensics provide our legal system with a way to recover data from electronic or digital devices. Computer forensics is a systematic process that interprets electronic data for use in a court of law. The goal of a process is to preserve any evidence in its most original form while performing a structured investigation by collecting, identifying, and validating the detailed information for the purpose of reconstructing past event. So what is computer forensics? So digital forensics or computer forensics refers to method used for interpretation of computer media for digital evidence. So importance practice of computer forensics. Computer forensics combine the element of law and computer science so as to collect the digital evidences while ensuring that the collection process has retained data integrity, which means having proof that this digital evidence is not planted or data has not been altered during investigation. That is, the computer forensics follows the following practice: acquire the evidence without altering or damaging the original, authenticated that your recovered evidence is the same as the originality size data, and analyze the data without modifying it. So these are the following practice for computer forensics. So what are the steps of digital forensic investigation process? So first, data identification. After this, project planning, then data will be captured. So after capturing proper data, the main process now started: data processing, data analysis, data display, and report generation. So these are the 7 steps for digital forensic investigation process. So today in this class we learn about what is computer forensics and what are the important practice of computer forensics. Then we learn about digital forensic investigation process. What are the process? First process is data identification, project planning, data capture, data processing, data analysis, data display, at last report generation. So from this report generation, the authorized user can conclude the decision. After this, he can take the decision what is the correct and what is not correct.